Money is tight, and people need to cut budgets all the time, and one of the major expenses with any facility is going to be the energy costs.
If we look at a commercial office building, when a tenant leases a commercial office space, he wants a space that's going to be comfortable for employees so their productivity is high, making sure that environment is healthy and safe for employees.
Multiple tenant buildings can be a really unique challenge because you might have one group that has a certain set of requirements and another. And those just pose a challenge, particularly for the owner or the landlord of the building, because they might have to manage the different requirements.
There's a lot of things that you can do that don't cost a lot of money and can save you a lot of energy. Changing a control strategy doesn't cost a lot of money.
By being able to turn loads off in a building and reduce or raise temperatures in a building during periods of unoccupancy, and by reducing or shutting off the ventilation in a building when the occupants are not there, we're able to save energy.
Anything you can do to minimize the use of lights can be a big deal. And if you drive around at night and look at buildings, you'll see lights on all the time at 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, that's unnecessary. It burns energy. It's creating heat.
Most commercial buildings, the cleaning crews actually turn everything on, and then as they go through the rooms, they'll turn it off. Hopefully they do when they get done leaving the room. It's kind of identifying, targeting those areas, making sure that they're operating what's needed for that organization, and then putting the equipment and controls in place to make it happen.
Going back with frequency and making sure that the building is being operated or run as designed with the set points and schedules that are set forward, are important to make sure that he can sustain that level of energy savings over time.
Commercial facilities, the mechanical cooling and heating portion of buildings consume 30 to 50% of the energy in a building, which is a large amount. So you want to target that because that's a big area, a big opportunity to help save. Most of the energy retrofits that we see can save of that portion 20 to 50%. You can get savings.
We ensure that their environment is comfortable and healthy, both from a temperature and a ventilation perspective, and can manage that by saving energy at the same time.
Improving their energy efficiency drives down their operating costs, which improves their operating margin and makes their properties worth more.